Well, many people have already filed their taxes, but Daniel, some have not yet. And that extension deadline is quickly approaching. It's really important that you know what to do and you have everything together. So that's why we brought in this guy. This is Daniel Tahar. He's a tax expert. He's also incredibly positive about taxes, which I, myself, and our entire staff personally enjoy because, Daniel, it's not breaking news. You know that taxes are not everyone's favorite topic. But you are so positive about it and so smiley, and you make it so much easier. So thank you.
No problem. I try.
Yes, yeah, and you do a great job at it. Okay, but for those who have not filed their taxes yet, that deadline's approaching October 15th, right?
That is correct.
Okay, and if they still don't have their stuff together, give some tips.
Well, if you haven't filed yet, you're definitely not alone. There's still about 700,000 state personal income tax returns that need to be filed.
Okay.
The best thing to do is to start gathering all your documents together. Make sure you have everything you need to file and e-file that return. It's fast, easy, and most times free.
Okay, so what if you don't have all of your forms? Is it too late to get them?
It's not. If you're missing W-2s or some interest statements, you can try contacting your employer or financial institution. Now, in the event that they might not be able to get you that documentation in time to file your return, you can actually go to our website, ftb.ca.gov, and register for our free online service called My FTB Account.
Oh.
And once you register, you can view your W-2 information, estimated tax payments, and FTB-issued 1099s.
Wow, things have become so much easier. That is
Definitely.
fantastic. Okay, can people still get the fast refund, or is there going to be a little bit of a delay?
Absolutely. If you e-file and choose direct deposit, you can get your refund in about 2 weeks right now.
Okay, my goodness. All right. So what if somebody needs a little assistance, though, when it comes to filing their taxes? Is it too late to have somebody still assist them with that? What do they do?
No, it's definitely not too late. You know, even though that tax preparers will be pretty busy over the next month or so, you can start calling around to see if there's any appointments available. Make sure and be careful when selecting a preparer. Ask for references, check their respective licensing entity to see if there's been any violations or complaints in the past. And right off the bat, you're going to want to avoid any preparer who guarantees you a refund before looking at any of your information, bases their fee as a percentage of the refund amount, or refuses to sign the return as the paid preparer, because that's actually required by law.
Okay, and are there any guidelines for when selecting someone to help you with your tax preparation available online through your services?
You can actually go to the IRS's website, and they actually will have information on selecting a preparer. You can also go to our website, ftb.ca.gov, and there's plenty of resources available to help you out.
Good, okay, good. It's always nice to know where you can start, right?
Exactly.
You want to start off on a good foot there. What if somebody finds out that they owe, but they feel they won't be able to afford to pay? What happens then?
Yeah, you know, we understand that unexpected events can sometimes make it hard to pay your taxes on time. So we encourage anyone that's experiencing financial hardship to contact us. We could take a look at your account, see what options are available. We do encourage you to pay what you can now because that'll help limit interest and penalties. But generally, you qualify for an installment plan if you owe $25,000 or less and can pay off that balance due within 5 years, and you can actually apply on our website, ftb.ca.gov.
Okay, and then we can still do write-offs this year, right?
Yes, yeah, you can still write off. If you're kind of referring to some of the tax law changes, most of those changes only impact your federal return, but that means that there's going to be differences between what you report on your federal return versus your state return. So this is actually a good year to consider hiring a tax preparer to help you file those returns. Another thing everyone could do right now is to take a look at the withholding on your paychecks to make sure that you're having the right amount of taxes being taken out each month, because that'll help avoid a surprise tax bill when you file next year.
Okay, but as far as still filing, though, for the previous year, that's not different. We're talking about projecting ahead, though, for filing this upcoming year.
Exactly, yeah.
Right?
That's for the returns you file in 2019. Everything for this year that you're going to file by October 15th, it's business as usual for you.
Business as usual still right now for the October 15th deadline. However, you've already given some great advice on how we can all prepare. So even those who've already filed for this past year, as we're continuing into this year and getting ready to file in the upcoming year in February, if you will, we need to keep in mind, like you said, the tax withholdings in our W-2s. Where do we go for more information about the tax reform? Because we will be impacted.
Yeah, so you can actually go to the IRS's website. You can go to our website, ftb.ca.gov. If you have general questions, you can try our online live chat feature that'll connect you through instant messaging to an agent. You can also give us a call at 800-852-5711.
Okay, and I know we were talking about e-filing for this current, this year. Be fast. It's going to help a lot of people get their quick refunds. Very beneficial. for the upcoming year with the tax reform, is e-filing still going to be probably a good option for some people?
Oh,
or
definitely.
Do you suggest still have someone take a look at your taxes with you?
You can definitely have someone look at your taxes to kind of help make sure that you're not missing anything. But the e-file software is currently going through and being updated for the current tax laws.
Okay.
So those will be updated as it'll walk you through step by step and let you know what you can and can't take, so that both of them are viable options.
Okay, all right. So when we hear all this information that things are going to be that much easier when you're filing because you have the e-file taxing, you're giving some great guidelines. See, the burden has been lifted, Daniel. We feel the burden lifted because you've already done all the hard thinking for us. Where can our viewers go so they can get more information? Be prepared to file by extension deadline, which is October 15th. Mark your calendars. He's already helped you out. But then also make sure that we're planning ahead for this coming year as well.
Yeah, our website's your best resource for tax season and beyond, ftb.ca.gov.
Thank you so much, my friend.
No problem. I love coming
love
out.
it. Yeah, no, you make it so much easier. It's like, oh, I'm so stressed. And then I'm like, oh, no, never mind. We got Daniel on our side. We're good.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.